To set up Semrush position tracking, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the position tracking tool. This tool allows you to monitor your website's rankings for specific keywords and track changes over time. First, click on the Position Tracking tab and then click on the Set up Position Tracking button. You will be prompted to enter your domain name and select your target location. This can be a country, region, or city, depending on your target audience. Next, enter the keywords you want to track. These should be relevant to your business and the content on your website. You can add individual keywords or upload a list of keywords from a file. It is recommended to start with a small list of high-priority keywords and expand as needed. After entering your keywords, you will need to set up your competitors. This can be done by entering the domain names of your competitors or by allowing Semrush to suggest competitors based on your target keywords. Tracking your competitors' rankings can help you identify gaps in the market and opportunities to improve your own rankings. Once you have set up your position tracking campaign, Semrush will begin collecting data on your keyword rankings. You can view this data in the position tracking dashboard, which provides an overview of your rankings, including your average position, visibility, and estimated traffic. To get the most out of position tracking, it is essential to regularly review and adjust your keyword list. This can help you stay focused on the keywords that are driving the most traffic to your website and identify areas for improvement. Additionally, you can use the data from position tracking to inform your content marketing and SEO strategies, such as identifying gaps in your content and optimizing your pages for specific keywords. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up Semrush position tracking and start monitoring your website's rankings in no time. This will provide you with valuable insights into your SEO performance and help you make data-driven decisions to improve your online visibility.